If I have an hour to solve a problem, I would probably spend 55 minutes thinking about the problem and 5 minutes thinking about the solution. This is what Albert Einstein says. So when we face a problem or a challenge in our life, always think about the root cause. Do a root cause analysis of every situation. In case you come up with a challenge, think about the root cause, why that has been come up, and how you can solve it. Focus on how you can solve it. We all know Elon Musk. He's a founder of $3 million companies. PayPal, we all know PayPal. Tesla, self-driving cars, he's a founder of that. And he's also a founder of SpaceX. For the people who doesn't know what SpaceX does, basically it is aerospace manufacturer. It is a transportation to space, transportation service to space. Imagine his creativity. He has come up with such an idea, such problem solving skills he has got. He talks about a very good strategy to solve the problem. He says first principle thinking. So that's the strategy that he basically uses. First principle thinking. So I'll explain you what that is. What he suggests is, if you come across a situation in your life, a challenge in your life, break down that into different subcomponents, and then you'll understand where the problem lies. It's a kind of bottom-up approach. That's really beautiful. He also gives an example of a very good example of a battery pack. So basically, I'll explain you what that is. Let's say a battery pack costs $600 per kilowatt hour, and let's say I want to maybe set up a business that needs maybe 1 lakh or 10 million battery packs, and the challenge here is the cost. So as per the cost, historically, it costs $600 per kilowatt, and now the problem is costing. Now, as per first principle thinking, we need to break down the problem into different subcomponents. Now, with this strategy, what I can do is I can cut down the problem or boil down the issue or the challenge into multiple subcomponents. Now, the first thing I should think about is what constitutes a battery. It can have aluminum, copper, nickel, and phosphorus. All those different ingredients basically form a battery. So what he says is, he suggests that there could be some place where you can get this particular raw material or components for a cheaper price. And he gives the example of London Exchange. I don't exactly remember the place of that source, but yeah, he says get that into your strategy. Get the raw materials from that particular place, and then with this approach, when we go ahead, the battery cost will be reduced to $60 or close to $80 per kilowatt. Isn't it beautiful? So the actual cost is $600. That's now come down to $80. It's close to 90% reduction in the cost. So that's the bottom-up approach. So here, what has happened here? We have identified the constituents or the ingredients of that particular component, which is a problem on the table right now, and we have actually tried to come up with a different approach to solve that. So that's first principle thinking. So practice of questioning every assumption about the problem or a solution is very important. You need to keep questioning every assumption you have in your mind. Do not follow the socially accepted beliefs. The socially accepted beliefs people have in their minds. Some problems comes in, they have solution 1, 2 and 3. That's it. People think there is no other solution. That's not the case, guys. You need to keep thinking, keep questioning your assumptions. That's when you can come up with a innovative solution or or right from the scratch, you can start solving the problems. I hope this video has helped you to understand a problem solving strategy today. This is Mohammad Shoaib logging off until we meet again.